Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this Kung Fu combination, we're going to be working with one of the coolest weapons, the Dai Pa, or the Tiger Fork, or the Trident. So, the Trident itself, it goes across many martial arts styles and across many cultures, so we don't see this specific to just Chinese Kung Fu. However, it is a staple in Southern Chinese Kung Fu. So we're going to start on a very basic technique, but a very unique technique, especially for this weapon. It's not something we do with any other weapon when it comes to maybe a guando or a snake tongue spear or a spear or even other long-handled weapons like monk spades and things like that. This is a spinning forward thrust. So we're going to be working with that for our Trident. And really what it comes down to is relaxing your front hand, the grip on your front hand, to allow that to slide, and then cranking the back hand, just like as if you're revving up a motorcycle. So we're going to crank forward, crank backward, and then we're going to control and extend forward as we do this. So we crank and extend, crank and pull back. Okay, now that we have that down, let's go into a blocking and advancing technique. So we're going to start with a 45-degree block out to the side. This is if our opponent is swinging in, they're trying to strike us from the side. So we're going to step into it and then block right here, and then we're going to advance. Okay, so I start stepping out, block, bring it down, spin, poke one, pull back, spin, poke two. So we're going to do 2 pokes on this one with spinning. Again, I step out to the side, block, spin, retreat, and then spin. If I'm facing this way, again, block to that 45, 1, pull back 2. Okay, one more time. If I'm facing towards you, that attack is coming in, I step into it and block, and then 1, 2. Now, that's going to do it for this Kung Fu combination. There is a lot that you can work on just on getting the muscle memory and getting it down to spin the Trident as you extend it, and make sure that the tip of it goes exactly where you want to when your target, so your end positions. So take the time, work on this one, and it's good to round it off, so work on this with both hands so you get comfortable with extending and cranking with both hands. I hope you guys enjoyed this Kung Fu combination. We are definitely going to get into some more Trident techniques, so if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Otherwise, make sure to hit that like button, and as always, be sure to subscribe. Till next time, this is Sifu Kuttel.